Okay children, let us learn the lesson, the journey in this human relations. Already I told you about the human relations in the families. Old people will be there, we have to take care of the old people, we should not neglect them. And let us see what happened in this lesson. I will read the lesson. After spending a leisurely Sunday at home, the very thought of returning to work on Monday is tiring. Lesson started here. Someone spent Sunday at home, but after Sunday, Monday comes, no, he want to go, he or she. Lethargy creeps in if the holiday continues over an extended period. That means some person put holiday for extended period. What he is thinking? Lethargy creeps. The meaning of lethargy, Lethargy. Lethargy means not interested. Not interested. Creeps if in holiday continues over an extended period. He or she, we don't know, thinking like that. If holiday continues for some period, I doesn't want to go. That is how I felt when I was preparing to return to my place of work after spending 6 months at home. Here the author is telling, I means author here. What he did, he spent 6 months at home, but now also he doesn't want to go to the work. He wants to extend his leave. He came on his leave. The fact that I was to leave behind my newlywed wife. That means he was married newlywed wife. Here hyphen is there, newlywed wife. These are two adjectives. Newly is adjective, wed wife is adjective. That means he was married recently. He spent at his home 6 months. Now after 6 months his extending leave period over, but he doesn't want to go to the work. And go out to a far off place did not help either. Obviously I did not want to go. The author did not want to go. Here I means author is telling the lesson journey. What happened till now? The author put leave for 6 months. Why? He put leave for marrying. He married one girl. He spent 6 months with her. Now he was not interested to go, leaving his wife. Next para. However, I finally did decide to go. I did not have much to carry by way of luggage. Just a trunk. He decided finally to go. He is having only just a trunk. Ours is a hilly terrain. Terrain means a plain place, a plain land. Hilly terrain. Ours is a hilly terrain. That means his house is on the hill without any motorable. Here able is a suffix. As I told you before, prefix and suffix. able, 4 letters are added to this root word, and it is a suffix, motorable. That means they have no transport on the hilly area. And there is no certainty that we are ever going to have any roads. Even roads are also not there. In any case, while coming home, we do not carry bedding. So when they want to come, this is a hilly place, so they won't bring bedding. Only just he brought trunk. Besides, I had come this time round for a special purpose, to get married. In exams, why the author came here? Because he came here and he spent here to get married. My parents had arranged my marriage according to the customs of our tribal society. Customs means tradition. Tribal society, that means they are the tribal people. Generally tribal people lives on the hilly areas and also the forests. Time flew, and 5 months into my marriage I realized it. Flew, F-L-E-W. The other forms of the flew word is flow and flown, F-L-O-W-N. Fly, sorry, here. Time flew, that means time over, and 5 months into my marriage I realized it. Initially I thought of extending my leave, even taking unpaid leave. That means he only put for leave for 6 months, but now he wants to extend his leave. But after some dilly-dallying means taking much time to decide. So much time, that means dilly-dallying means taking so much time to decide. That means he is having some thoughts in mind. If I have to go or to stay with my newlywed wife, like that he is taking to decide so much of time. That is called dilly-dallying. I finally decided against it because marriage had increased. This line is very important. Why the author was decided to go after his 6 months leave. In exams they will ask passage questions like this. Because marriage had increased my responsibilities and I had got into debt. Okay, so much responsibility he had now after marriage. So financial responsibility is also there. He had to earn so much money. Why? Because after marriage he is also having family, separate family. So he decided to go to the work. Next para. On my way home from the bus stop, my trunk had been carried by a porter. The problem now was we couldn't find anyone who could help me carry the trunk to the bus stop. Before 6 months, when he is coming to his home, who carried his trunk? A porter carried. But now, who will carry my porter? Because he was a newly married person, newly married man. He should not want to carry his trunk. At another time of the year, we would have easily found someone to help me. But now, most of the villagers were busy in the fields. But nobody persons in the village are not there. They are busy in the field, so nobody are there. Nobody had time to spare for me. Spare means spend. In fact, carrying the trunk should not have been such a worry for me, except that my education had made me shun physical labor. Shun. This word came from shy. Okay. Physical labor, that means he was an educated man in the village. He was feeling some shy. What I am educated and I got job. I have to carry my luggage. I have to put the trunk on my head. Like that he is thinking. After all, I was a government officer. Who was he? He was a well-educated and government officer. And the idea of people seeing me carry my own luggage was not at all amusing. All the people who will see in the village talks about me what he is. He was a government officer and he was taking his own luggage. Otherwise, for a young man like me, it should not have been an issue to carry a 20-kilo chest on my back. 20 kilo chest. This is a adjective. This is totally one word, 20 kilo chest. That means how much weight his luggage is having? Only 20 kilo chest on my back. I am a young man. I can carry so much of luggage. so much quantity of luggage, but I am an educated man, I was a government officer, I should not take my own luggage. Like that his thoughts are going on in his mind. Finally my father came up with a solution. So much time he is thinking like this. So his father came up with a solution. That means his father told, don't worry, I myself will see you off at the Dirang place, his living place. Don't worry my boy, his father is telling, I myself will see you off at Dirang. I protested. Protest means reject, refuse. How could I allow my old father to carry my trunk? His father was very old. So much of age he is having. He cannot carry his trunk. So he protested. What would people think? What would they say? But I failed to dissuade him. I was decided that father would carry the chest. So father not obeyed to my opinion. That so he wanted to carry my luggage. Okay, a large crowd gathered at our place the day I was to leave. When I was going to work, ready to go, so many people came to our house to wish me, to send off me. People had come to wish me luck. It was 10:20 when I left for Dirang. My father had already left. As I had to do a bit of catching up, I walked fast. Already father was going, and after some time he was going. 3 kilometers down the road, I caught up with my father. Father said, "You're late. Would you like to rest for some time? You are late already. I went so much distance. Would you like to take rest?" Father is asking his son.